In that case, save and start quiz. Yeah, if he doesn't make it, I could like help him out later. I don't know, something.
Okay.
Well, that's not
that'll
gonna
work.
work. It's a video. Never mind. Whatever.
Hey,
Okay.
were you ever able to find that recording, that group collaboration?
Yes. Yeah. The 14 one, chapter 14,
Yep.
or lesson 14. Yeah, I did. I sent it in.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
My bad. That one.
Oh, you're fine. So, what do you think about that idea for our project?
So I really liked it. I mean, I really did. Should we just focus on like one product, just to keep it simple?
The only issue with having one product, I think, would be that we won't be able to get a sample size big enough.
Oh, is it okay if we have multiple products as long as the sample size is big enough?
I think so. I think as long as that's why, in my mind at least, it's a dependent or paired one, because you're going to be looking for like Cheerios and then the store.
Yeah, that's true.
And
you
so
still
we'll
have
just
two
do
categories.
30 different things, like Jiffy peanut butter and then Western Family peanut butter.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that sounds good. Perfect. Yeah, I like it.
Okay, sweet. Well, hopefully the information was put on there correctly.
Yeah, it looked like it.
It looked like it? Okay, good.
Yeah, awesome. I don't think it was anything totally elaborate or crazy, like he answered all the questions and everything, so.
Okay, awesome.
Dang.
Sweet. Well, let's jump into this.
20? Jeez. All right. So, okay. So basically they just have the sample thing again. This is in the, did they include this one in the graph or the spreadsheet? No? Okay. Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, so if you go to the spreadsheet and you put in the two samples, it'll work for this stuff. So the two proportions.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. The proportions were. Let me go here and check. Okay. So you just manually put them in. They don't have a spreadsheet already.
Well, so they do have. If you open the categorical data analysis _hat spreadsheet that's in the Excel help files, they do have a two proportions sheet that works for this.
Under categorical data, you said?
Categorical data analysis _hat. Those are the ones.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah. If you go to that one, then you go to the two proportions sheet.
Yep. Oh yeah, got it. Okay, so females will be the X1, and then males will be X2, the ones and twos. So it's 18 female. Yeah.
So yeah, females would be X1, males X2.
So 35 for females then. No, wait. Okay, why am I not looking at this one? 70, right. Okay, wait. Sorry. So there are 70 females, but there are 129 sample. The sample size is 129.
You don't need to worry about 129. So put in.
So the yes females over the total.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
That's right.
So the yes would be the X.
Gotcha. So 52 over 70.
Mm-hmm.
And then for males, it would be
42 over 59. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I got it.
You're fine.
Cool. And let's see what else. Oops. Then, which people's population, blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, yeah, I got the data entered in, so I guess we can tackle the questions now.
Okay, so for 3, what'd you get?
I got so for first sample, no, those are the requirements. So they're looking for p hat 1.
Yeah.
Okay, then I got 0.743.
Okay, yep, that's what I got.
Okay.
Then the next one should be 0.712.
0.712. Yep. 0.712.
Okay, then 5 should be the top one because we're just testing to see if they're different.
Right. And we have a 95% confidence interval already. Input your answers for the point estimate, margin of error, lower. Okay. So for the confidence interval, point estimate for the confidence interval.
Yeah, do you know what the point estimate is?
In this case, it would be the Z. No. Shouldn't that be the mean, sample mean? So okay, I'm not actually sure. Let me go back and look.
I don't know either.
Yeah, point estimate. So I think the point estimate for the one proportion tests. So for this, if they're going to ask the question, then it seems fair that they should have included it in the homework.
Yeah.
Sometimes they do. It's just snuck in there somewhere.
Right. Yeah, I don't remember this.
Let's see. I can't believe it. Where is it? Hmm.
Oh,
I don't know.
what if you just wouldn't the sample mean you'd be able to find it by just finding the median, I guess, in between the confidence interval.
Isn't that how you calculate the margin of error?
Well, the margin of error, you take the
They give
sample
that to
mean,
us.
add the margin of error, or subtract the margin of error. And so all we would need to do is look down at the confidence interval and find what point it is that's exactly between those two.
Oh, yeah. Brilliant. Okay. So let's see. Difference between 0.0, no, 0.204 minus 0.108. So 0.096. It'd be a positive too.
0.096 is what you got?
Yes.
Okay, let me, for some reason I'm not getting that. Let me make sure all of my information's right. What are you doing to get that?
I just did the difference between them. So the upper bound minus lower bound. Wait a minute. I don't want to do that.
Yeah, that's,
You want to divide by 2.
yeah, so it's, I think it's 0.031.
Okay, I didn't even get that. So did you do the difference and then divide by 2?
So I found the margin of error by getting the difference and dividing by 2. And then I
Right.
took that margin of error and subtracted it from the upper bound and added it to the lower bound, and I got the same answer.
Okay.
So it's 0.031.
0.031. All right.
And then 7 is 0.154.
Wait, I'm sorry. How did you get that? Aren't they
The margin of error?
Oh, that's the margin of error. Okay, right. Okay,
Yeah, so the point estimate is 0.031.
right.
Margin of error is 0.154.
Yeah.
And then the lower bound and upper bound are right there in the
Yeah.
spreadsheet, which is negative 0.123 and 0.185.
Right. I thought we were calculating the upper bound for some reason, or when you put the margin of error in. Anyway.
No, you're fine.
0.108. Awesome. All right. Let's see. With alpha 5%, what decision do you make? Let's see. Well, let's see. The p-value is greater than. It's like way greater than. So we failed to reject the null, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's the top one, I think.
Which following statements describes the outcome of the study? There is. Did you get this one before?
11?
Yeah.
The bottom one.
There is insufficient evidence to suggest that the true proportion of females who can taste PTC is different. Okay.
We were just
Cool.
testing to see if it's different, and the p-value is greater than the level of significance.
Yeah. Okay. All right. For the next 9 questions, we'll do the mortality. So go ahead and I'll go ahead and put these other values in.
Okay.
Numbers. All right, cool. All right, just got a text. I bet it's MoQ. Nope, it's not. Okay, never mind. All right, MoQ is the other guy who's going to join us, but
Oh, okay. Dang.
it wasn't even. All right. Cool. Yeah, so I got that in. So let's see, what are they asking? Oh, if the conditions are satisfied for conducting a hypothesis test. Well, they even put that in there, right? You can just look at it, and they are definitely, yeah, conditions are met.
Yep, they're both greater than 10.
What if it's a negative? Like bottom one. That should be okay.
Yeah, it's fine. It should be true.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Which set of hypotheses is appropriate for this research question?
Should be the bottom one.
Okay. See, I didn't even read the question. Use the data in the table to find p hat 1. So that's 0.141.
0.141. Yep.
Awesome. Dude, I like this section way better than the second one.
Yeah, I agree.
So
this
much.
one's not too bad.
104.322.
For the z-score.
Oh, sorry, I was just for 15. But for the z-score.
Yeah, 15 is 0.145.
Yeah. So this other one's negative 2027.766.
Yeah, negative 2.02.
Oh, really?
For 16?
Yeah, for the z-test.
The z-score? Yeah, it's negative 2.02. Oh, did you change your type of test? Because it should be...
Oh, not equal to? Okay, yeah. Oof, thanks. All right, so negative 2.020.
Yeah, negative 2.02. Yeah.
Yeah. There's around 3 decimal places. I don't know if it makes a difference though. Given the z-score from the last question, which should you shade, the left or the right? Both sides. No, they don't even have that as an option. If it's a not equal to, I thought you always shade both sides.
I think since it's less than, it's to the left.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Then 18 is 0.022.
022. Mm-hmm. See, what is the decision for this test? Let's see. Oh, so this is smaller than the level of significance, so we would actually reject the null.
Yep, reject the null.
One more question. Which of the following best summarizes the conclusion of this test? There is sufficient evidence to conclude that the proportion of patients who have a heart attack are admitted to the hospital. Same. Nope, not the bottom one.
I think it's the second to the bottom one.
Proportion of patients who have a heart attack and are admitted to the hospital on a weekday who die is less than the proportion of patients who have a heart attack. Oh, that's true, yeah, because we did the less thing. Well, I'll go ahead and submit these then, see where we're at.
Awesome.
Okay, here, never mind. We can talk about it after I read down the list. Okay. Oh, gosh. So I got question 4 wrong. I put 0.717 on there.
Oh, it's 712.
712? Okay,
Yeah.
that's my bad. 712? All right. Oops. All right, continuing on. Oh, man, I got questions 8 and 9 wrong, too. How the heck?
So 8 should be negative 0.123, and 9 should be 1.85.
Yeah, well, I don't really write them down. I just keep them up here. Well, actually, no, I am going to write them down. Sorry. Just a sec. So what should 8 and 9 be?
So 8 should be negative 0.123, and 9 should be
So-
0.185.
So 8 should be negative 0.293. Is that what you said?
It should be negative 0.123.
1, 2, 3. Right. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
And then 9 should be what?
0.185.
How the heck did I get those wrong?
I don't know.
All right. Okay. And then I got 15 wrong. Wow. All right. I put 104.332.
So 15 should be 0.145.
Okay. Something totally different. Wow. Why did I do that? I guess I'll find out. Okay. Other than that, though, everything else is correct. So
Okay, awesome.
that should mean you're 100%. Hopefully.
Okay,
And,
cool.
and I'll go ahead and I'll redo this one and I'll put in the correct answers and figure out why I got the wrong ones.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, well, thanks, Daniel. That was a quick day.
Yeah. Well, you went through and you going through and doing them first always helps. Now, if we were to do these on Mondays and Wednesdays, though, you wouldn't have to do that anymore.
Right. Yeah.
Hopefully. So, plus,
Yeah.
I would love to, coming out of the spreadsheet class, like sometimes I'm not finished with the projects. And so I'd love to just be able to be like, hey, guys, you want to go meet right now? Whoever hasn't finished, and let's get this thing whipped out.
Right.
So, if
Yeah.
we could do this, and I know it's always usually me, like, that I'm the reason that we do after we have to go to work. So I'm going to do my best to make sure we can meet. That'll be tomorrow, right?
Yeah. Let's meet tomorrow at like 10 o'clock.
All right, awesome.
Okay, sweet. Okay, well, thanks, Daniel.
Hey, thanks, Brady.
Yep, we'll see ya.
All right, you take care now.